Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae. And if you're not new here, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved these two braided buns. So if you're interested, continue watching. Jumping straight into this video, I already had my hair washed, blow dried, and it was kind of flat ironed. It was a few days old. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair down the middle because we're going to be doing two high ponytails. So I'm going to be working with one section first. I'm going to comb it up to exactly where I want it to be and then put it in a ponytail. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So once I have my ponytails, I'm just going to be combing out any edges and sideburns that I want to leave out because I will be gelling up my hair and I do not want to get the hairs gelled as well. So you always want to make sure you comb it out. And then I'll be going in with this blue gel. It's the Sports Eco Styling Gel that I'm using right now. And I'm going to comb it all over my hair. And once I've combed it all over, I am going to remove the hairband that I use to tie my hair. And I'm gonna comb through my ponytails, make sure they're nice and sleek, and then I'm going to catch it back up. All right, so once my ponytails are nice and sleek, I'm going in with my wrap it up strips and I'm just wrapping it around my head and leaving it for the gel to dry. And I just put these two braiding hairs to my head. It was extra braiding hair I had, so that's why I decided to do this style. But I took a little piece of one of the bundles of hair and I'm just attaching it to my hair because this is how I do my braided ponytails. So in case you're looking for a braided ponytail tutorial, I will leave it up somewhere on the screen so you can check that video out. So once I've attached this hair, I'm going to take a small piece and use that to wrap around the ponytail. So guys, I'm just gonna tell you right now, this was supposed to be two braided ponytails that I was gonna do, like some cute short pigtails, but when I was done I wasn't really feeling it, and that's why I just turned it into a bun, and I thought the bun looked super cute, so it was just meant to be. So just in case you guys are wondering, but yeah, so I just wrap that piece around And then I'm going to be also feeding in here when I'm doing the braids as well. All right, so here's where you see me feeding in the braids. I only added about 4 small pieces into each ponytail. So I didn't add too much hair because I didn't want the braids, 1, to be long and 2, to be too thick. So I probably added like 3 or 4 pieces of hair and I just braided it out. So once I finish braiding my ponytails, I'm going to start pulling them. And this method is called like the butterfly method. I also have a video posted with this butterfly ponytail, so I'm also gonna leave that up in this video so you can watch it if you'd like. But I'm just stretching the braid out, making it more fluffy because I thought that would have looked better than just having some straight braids. But as I said before, I ended up turning them into buns. But I do think it does make a difference. Like the buns did look more like fluffy. So if you want this look, make sure you pull the ends out to achieve this style. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my strip. My hair was pretty dry, so I'm going to be using some edge control. This I believe was the edge booster, yeah, and my edge control brush, and I'm just gonna do my little baby hairs and my sideburns. And once I was finished, I just went in with my oil sheen and sprayed my hair. But I'm looking at myself, wasn't really feeling it, and this is when I decided to do the bun. And once I seen the bun, I was feeling it way more than the braid being down. I feel like if the braid was longer, it would have looked better, but because I was doing these short braids, I wasn't really feeling it. So yeah, guys, you let me know in the comments below what you are feeling, if you're feeling the braids down or if you're with me and you're feeling these two buns better. Let me know, comment down below. Make sure you guys like this video. This is basically the end because I was done filming, but I decided to do the buns and I loved it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like. If you're new here and you are not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I'm dropping hair videos every week, guys, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're not already following my social media as well, you can follow me on Instagram at nae.simone. And that is it. I hope you guys learned something from this little tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.